Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to have a quick another revisit. I'm going to be doing a small series of these, I think. Um, One of my original videos that I did a couple of years ago now when I first started the channel. This particular one came out at the beginning of December 2023. And yeah, when you listen to it and watch it, you think, he's reading from a script. Yeah, I don't do that anymore. I just fly by the seat of my pants and say what I see. So, this particular set, if you've got any idea of what came out around about late 2023 and into early 2024, there is a small series of 3 coins. So, the first one, there's the Queen. This one came out in 2023. Yeah, I know she died the year before, but many of these were already in the process of being minted. So you will find that there are coins dated 2023 with the Queen on them. So this particular one, like I say, 2023, flip it over out of its pot, and you can see there is King Arthur. So this is the first of the 3 that came out, the King Arthur series. It's your bog standard 1 ounce fine silver. Usual measurements apply. What's that? 38.61 mil across. So they fit quite well into a 40 mil capsule. 999 silver and extremely shiny and quite well detailed as well when you look at them. Just look at the character at the front. You can just sort of look at the dagger. You can see the rolls in his sleeve and his fingers on his sword. Then you look into the background and you can actually see buildings. Yeah, there's a lot more going on than just the old King Arthur there waving Excalibur. So yeah, that was the first one to come out. There's a bit of a rush to get these because it was thought that they might be limited edition, but turned out they weren't. So you can probably still get these if you shop around. I got all of these actually from the Royal Mint, so pay a visit to them. Maybe they've still got some. Obviously, other dealers are available. The next one, we're now into the true Charles period. So you've got the king on the front. Again, 2023. But this one, as you can see, Merlin. Trying to get the light on it so you can see all the detail. So you've got Glastonbury Tor there in the background. You've got the crescent moon. You've got Merlin with his owl. Yeah, I've been to Glastonbury Tor a fair few times over the years. It's only about half an hour down the road from me. It's quite an amazing place to go. Especially when the RAF decide to do low flybys and they're below the level of the top of the hill. And that's great looking down onto the pilots. Anyway, another piece of silver, 1 ounce, like I say. Exactly the same weight, same measurements as the other. And the final one was, of course, Arthur's friend. Nope, not Charles. I say friend. Morgan Le Fay. Not really a friend. 1 ounce fine silver, 2024. So this one came out, I think it was about February in 24. As you can see, a lot of mystical, magical stuff going on in the background. And the outfit she's wearing, it makes her look more like a Marvel superhero or something out of DC Comics. Again, that's another 1 ounce 999 silver. from the Royal Mint. And that is the set. Now, at the time, I was just starting out collecting silver coins, and I was almost tempted to get the 2 ounce, and then I saw a 10 ounce, and then I've seen numerous other variations on a theme. I think they did gold ones as well. If you've ever been to the Royal Mint site and you've heard of Trial of the Picks, they did the Merlin one in that. There's a limited edition of 10. Yes, 10. One more than 9, that 10. And 1 ounce is something like 250 quid. So, yeah. You buy, you pays your money, you takes your choice. But I do like these. They're brilliant little coins. They look more like medallions to start off with because of this outer ring. But no, they are definitely coins of the realm. £2 face value, silver content. It's an ounce, so you're talking £24, £25. But to buy as a coin, as a collectible, these are around, well, they were around, at the time, silver price was about 30 quid for one of these. And they're now, if you can get them, I think 35, 40. So it just goes to show how much silver's gone up. I think silver price was about £19 an ounce. So it's gone up about £5 an ounce in the last 2 or 3 years. Anyway, that is just a quick revisit of 3 coins from the one set that I did, like I say, back in December 2023. So I'm not sponsored by the Royal Mint, even though I keep plugging them in many of my videos. I just happen to get most of my silver through them. So hopefully you enjoyed that quick revisit, that recap from a couple of years ago. If you did, please consider clicking that like button, maybe leaving a comment, clicking the subscribe. Even better still, click the share button. I'm trying to get myself out there a bit more. And until the next time, folks, take care. I'll see you then. Cheers all.